Oula mamedo kelo midhiero pacho ka kotenore kod koth mapek machue gwenge ma pacho ka sani be koro osekelo hinyruok ne oganda mathoth e kaunti ma Kisumu ka ng'at achiel oula osenego. E kwan mar mier 638 onime oula ka familia 2178 sani ojot ka wedegi kod jo Samaria. Jamni 2000 bende oula osedhi godo ka puothe maromo eka 1756 bende pi oimo. Sikunde mag ECD ma kwan gi romo 22 bende oula oseketho, gino makelo lal nengo maromo Sh67.8 million. Gavana Nyong'o ne nigi kwayo.
And water from swollen rivers in our county have affected 14,060 people across the 8 sub-counties. A total of 1,756 acres of farmland and crops in the low-lying areas have been destroyed in the 8 sub-counties with an estimated cost of 67.81 million Kenyan shillings. We need therefore to appeal to everybody, and I mean everybody, for help. First, short-term help. We appeal to well-wishers to come up and help us assist these displaced families. Anyone with food, non-food items, and cash donations should contact the Minister for Public Service, County Administration, and Participatory Development, Ms. Judith Oluoch. Those with financial donations should send through our emergency account number as follows. Pay bill number 552800. Account number 015 415 478 001.